how much should you actually spend on acoustic guitar strings? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Let's figure out which ones really give you that warm sound you're after. Product number 1, Belfort Acoustic Guitar Strings. First up, we have the Belfort Acoustic Guitar Strings. Priced at $13.89, these strings caught my eye because of their premium phosphor bronze coating. If you want a warm, rich sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These strings are designed in Germany and are made to last, providing a brilliant sound quality and excellent tuning stability. The 80-20 phosphor bronze material means you'll get that warm tone that resonates beautifully, and the light gauge allows for easier playability. Plus, they come with a bonus of 4 picks and an extra high E string, which is a nice touch. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. Many players find that the combination of the phosphor bronze and the light gauge can really bring out the warmth in their playing, especially for fingerpicking or softer strumming. With over 4,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that this option is popular among beginners and pros alike. However, some users mention that the strings can lose their brightness quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who plays regularly, it's likely you're already accustomed to changing strings often anyway. So this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a reliable set of strings that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for something that lasts for weeks on end without needing a change. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the quick tonal decay bothered you, the next option might be worth considering for its durability. Product number 2, Havendi Guitar Strings. Next, let's talk about the Havendi Guitar Strings, priced at $18.83. These strings are also made with phosphor bronze and promise brilliant sound quality. If you want a truly smooth playing experience, this one's worth a serious look. The Havendi strings are designed to be rust-resistant and extremely durable, which means you can enjoy playing without the hassle of constant retuning. The light gauge not only allows for easier play but also delivers that warm tone you're after. Plus, they're crafted in Germany, ensuring high quality. The standout feature here is the smooth force technology, which makes these strings buttery soft, ideal for beginners or anyone looking to play for longer without finger fatigue. This could genuinely enhance your playing experience, especially during extended practice sessions. Now, some users have pointed out that they may not have the same longevity as other options on the market. But here's the thing, if you're someone who prioritizes comfort and the immediate warm sound, those minor durability issues might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want comfort and sound quality in your strings. Skip this one if you prefer strings that last longer without needing replacements. For the quality, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extra warmth. Product number 3, Zager Easy Play Strings. Now let's look at the Zager Easy Play acoustic guitar strings, which retail for $25.25. They're designed for comfort, and if you're dealing with any finger pain, this one's definitely worth considering. These strings use a patented soft metal core and an ultra-smooth coating that requires significantly less finger pressure. That means you can play longer without the soreness that often comes with regular strings. The warm tone is also a highlight, making it ideal for expressive playing. What's really impressive is that these strings are trusted by professional artists like Lady Gaga and Bruce Springsteen. This tells you something about the quality you can expect. With over 500 sold recently, they're clearly making waves. However, some players noted that they may feel a bit different compared to standard strings, especially if you're used to a harsher feel. But here's the thing, if you're looking for comfort without sacrificing tone, this is a minor adjustment that pays off. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive fingers or just want a comfortable playing experience. Skip this one if you're used to traditional, tougher strings. For the price, it's a great investment in your playing ease. Now, if you didn't like the idea of adjusting to a new feel, the next product might just be your cup of tea. Product number 4, Elixir Strings with POLYWEB. Up next, we have the Elixir Strings, which retail at $24. Known for their longevity, these strings are a favorite among many guitarists. If you want a warm tone that lasts, this one should be on your radar. What sets Elixir apart is their POLYWEB technology, which wraps the strings to protect them from corrosion and grime. This means you get that fresh out-of-the-box sound for much longer, making them ideal for those who want to reduce maintenance. They're made with a blend of 80-20 bronze, providing a warm, balanced tone that's perfect for any style of playing. With over 300 sold recently, it's clear that they have a loyal following. Some users did mention that the coating can feel a bit slick, which might take some getting used to. But honestly, if you're looking for long-lasting quality, that slight adjustment is worth it for the warm, rich sound. This is perfect for you if you want a consistent tone without the frequent string changes. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional string feel. For the quality, they're a great value and could save you money in the long run. Moving on, if you want to explore another variation of Elixir's offerings, you might want to check out their custom light version. Product number 5, Elixir Custom Light Strings. Finally, we have another set from Elixir, the Custom Light Strings, also priced at $24. If you want that same lasting warm tone but in a lighter gauge, this is worth a look. Like the previous Elixir strings, these are made with POLYWEB technology for durability and a smooth feel. This means they not only sound great but also last longer, which is a big plus if you're regularly playing. The custom light gauge allows for easier playability, especially beneficial if you're doing intricate finger work. Many players appreciate that they can express themselves more freely without the strain on their fingers. However, some players have mentioned that they may not hold their brightness as long as they'd like. Now I get it. If you prefer your strings to sound bright for weeks, this might be a concern. But here's the thing, the warm sound is truly exceptional, and if that's your priority, then it's a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a light gauge string with lasting warmth. Skip this one if brightness is your only focus. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for those who value comfort and tone. To wrap things up, we've covered some great options for warm-sounding strings. From Belfort's budget-friendly choice to Elixir's premium offerings, there's something for everyone here. So there you have it, 5 great acoustic guitar strings to help you achieve that warm sound you're looking for. Whether you want budget-friendly options like Belfort or high-end quality from Elixir, the choice ultimately boils down to your personal preference and playing style. Remember, comfort and sound quality are key, so pick the one that fits your needs best.